Here are some interesting and fun facts about animals for you. 1. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. 2. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 3. Cows have best friends and can become stressed when separated from them. 4. Kangaroos cannot walk backward, only forward. 5. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. 6. Male seahorses carry and give birth to their young. 7. The fingerprints of a koala are so similar to those of humans that they have been confused at crime scenes. 8. Elephants are the largest land animals, and they can communicate with each other using infrasound, which is below the range of human hearing. 9. The tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an elephant. 10. Butterflies taste with their feet. 11. The pistol shrimp can snap its claw so fast that it creates a bubble that reaches temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. 12. Axolotls have the ability to regenerate entire limbs, including parts of their brain and spine. 13. A group of owls is called a parliament. 14. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, 113 km per hour. 15. Male penguins propose to their mates by giving them a pebble. 16. Bonobos are one of our closest relatives and are known for resolving conflicts through hugging. 17. The Arctic fox has fur that changes color with the seasons to blend in with its surroundings. 18. Bees communicate with each other through a dance known as the waggle dance to convey the direction and distance to a food source. 19. The mimic octopus can impersonate other marine creatures to evade predators. 20. A group of meerkats is called a mob.